Just going to take a few moments to chat about 1UZ coils. I get lots of questions about it, and while they're pretty simple, it's a great opportunity while I've got all the motors sitting here to have a chat. So we're going to start off non-VVTi engines. Ran from about 89 through till 9th of 97. But in 94 they changed a little bit in the coil department. The changes, they changed the bracket on the left hand coil. Okay, so this is the right hand coil. Yes, I'm touching it with my left hand, but it's from when you're sitting in the vehicle. So it's from the other side, facing forward. This is the right hand one, and this is the left hand one. So the right hand coil on the Gen 1 and the Gen 2 remain the same. The bracket is the same. They interchange perfectly. The coil packs themselves remain the same across the years. On the left hand side, on the Gen 1s, the coil tower points upwards. On the Gen 2s, the coil pack bolts in the same spot but points forwards. So that's a really good way of seeing if you've got a Gen 1 or a Gen 2 engine, providing they haven't been swapped and interchanged. And so that the difference there it makes is the lead set is different, based solely on that left-hand coil lead. The rest of the lead set is exactly the same. The covers are the same, everything's the same, but this coil lead is different because of the different coil location. We probably should bout out a coil number. The coil number is 90919 01297. As I said, they fit all of the Gen 1 and Gen 2 engines, fit that same coil. So moving over to the VVTi engines. The first of the 1UZ VVTi runs this bigger coil. So it's much taller. That only fits the first of the VVTis, like late 99, early 2000. They have that one. Then both the 1UZ VVTi and the 3UZ moved to this coil here, the little one. It's also the same as your Altezza Gita, and there's a few other vehicles that have that. Okay, so on these ones, the early one, the coil number is 90919 02228. And that has a oval type plug, which is the same plug as the accelerator position sensor. Also the same as your 4AGE crank angle sensor. And then moving into the later one, the part number on that one is 90919 02230. Interesting enough, they also changed the configuration of the center 2 pins. So between these two coils, the center pins are reversed between the trigger and the feedback loop. The coils physically change engines, not a problem. The tappet covers are the same. They both will fit in. I got caught out recently. Well, no. I had a customer recently who sent me a early model loom and had a late model engine, but we managed to catch it, and I just changed the pins around on the coil plugs. Not a problem at all. So I hope that's helpful. An easy way to see if you've got an early model UZ motor, VVTi, is whether you've got the big coils on it or the later ones with the smaller coils. So I hope that's helpful. We'll talk to you again.